Hi everyone and welcome back to Jump to It Designs. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys what will be released tomorrow for our new release sale. So we have two kits that are coming. The first one is called, let me zoom in a little bit. It's called Southern Prep, and we named this kit kind of based on we think these prints looked a lot like the Lily Pulitzer prints. So that's how that kind of got its name, from Southern Prep. So these are the full boxes. Look at how stunning these colors are, guys. Just the patterns are so pretty. I could easily see some of these prints as cute shorts or a bathing suit. So these are the full boxes. Then we have the checklist, which I think is this really pretty coral with a sea turtle behind. The third page has your washi and then the top strip. And for this kit, if you saw on our Instagram stories, we're thinking of just making some minor tweaks to our kit, maybe adding some stuff, taking some stuff away. And one of the things that we were kind of testing out is this strip right here. On our older kits, it's just individual stickers that you peel up. We're gonna try if it's just one whole strip, so it still has white in between to give you that illusion of the columns still being separate, but it'll just be one strip that you put on top like you do with the bottom washi. So we're gonna see how that looks. Then you also have these little words at the top with the deco. The fourth sheet is all your different size boxes with some washi, the little checklist, and some flags. The fifth sheet has your headers and the this and that tabs, and then some little icons on the side. And your last sheet has some sidebars, the hydrate, two habit trackers, a bill due, the weekend banner, the little day dots for the top, a cancel, postponed, to buy, to clean, and then these icons. So this is the last sheet here. So that is Southern Prep. And the freebies that go with it look like this. So this is the popcorn sheet and the glitter tabs. And then if you would like to add on the Peekaboo Notes page, that is what this looks like. So love this one so much. This one is just so fun, bright, and colorful. The next one we have is called Tropical Birds, and loving these prints and these colors, and these birds just look so cute. And I love how the quote is "the tropic like it's hot." I just think it's so fun. So this is sheet 1, then you have sheet 2, sheet 3, and this one is the original way. We just were kind of tweaking it while we were making these two kits. So this has the separate stickers, and you have all this deco right here. This is the 4th sheet, the 5th sheet, and the 6th sheet. And look at that weekend banner, how cute is that? So this is Tropical Birds and the freebies to go with it. Here are the glitter tabs and the popcorns. And then the added on Peekaboo Notes. So I think this kit, both these kits are super fun and perfect for summer. So I thought it would be nice to lay them both out so you guys can see what they look like. So I'm just gonna do, oops, zoom out the other way. I'm just gonna do kind of a really quick laying them out to show you guys. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get on into it. So first I'm just gonna lay out the Tropical Birds one. And I'm laying this out in a neutral Erin Condren. I'm super excited because I think we are getting delivered the new Erin Condren. So that'll be nice to get that and see what the, what am I saying? Just the new design, what that is gonna look like, because it is a little different. And some people were asking us if we're going to convert some stuff and make it kind of fit the new planner, because I know the new planner, the top section, where the to-do things are a little rounded, but we've seen some other videos, because we're always thinking too, if it's very different, then we want to change it and adapt it. But we saw other people's videos where they're laying out their stickers and it's totally fine. It's not so different. So right when we get those new planners, we will show you guys that you can still use your old stickers. Now I'm just using the day covers to cover this section up. And oops, that was a little crooked. Let me see if that comes up easy. I love how I picked it up to fix it and I put it down probably the same exact way. Now I'm just going to put this flag over this one just because that kind of will peek through the top. Like that. And I'll finish up this side. So after I do that, I'm gonna put down the check boxes. And I'm loving this print. This kind of like geometric print I just think looks so pretty, and these colors are so bright. So just laying that out, and I'm just doing it how I always do, which is upside down. I think that's the easiest way to do it. I am super excited to get the new planner because I think what I'm going to do is I still have the last year's version of the Erin Condren that I've been using for kind of like my decorative planner. It's one that I don't necessarily plan in. I kind of like backtrack plan. I feel like that's super popular. A lot of people talk about that. I kind of plan like at night what has happened during the day. So to me, it's more of like a decorative journal. Oops, that went down a little crooked. And so I love it because I look through previous planners and I can see what I've done, days, or how I was feeling and stuff like that. But I think the new Erin Condren, I'm going to kind of make that one that maybe I don't use a ton of stickers in, but I just write a lot in. And that's really like where I can write my like to-do checklists and stuff. Because sometimes I feel like in the one that I make my decorative one, sometimes it's kind of hard to plan ahead because I want it to look pretty, and then if I think I'm doing something one day and I mark it down and then I end up not doing it, I feel like it kind of messes up that. I don't know if anyone knows what I'm talking about, but now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the sidebar really quick. And I always like to do the sidebar the same way. I feel like I've kind of gotten it down to where I really like it, and that is doing the quote box, and then the habit trackers. Then I like doing a this week header with a mini checklist, which is on page 2. Putting down what's happening in the week, and then I always like to put goals, even though my goals always are the same. I just like to be able to mark those down so I can see. And then I finish that off with a sidebar sticker. And I always like doing my spending here. Just like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just put the today stickers along the top. And this pink is so pretty. It's kind of like a bright bubblegum pink. Oh, and I just think it's so pretty. So just finishing this up. And I think what I'm gonna do next is whenever I'm planning like this, I like to plan from the top and bottom and meet in the center. So now I'm going to do all of the this and that headers. So I like to start off on the bottom with the meal stickers and just putting those down. Trying to be better with making my meals at home. Then the next thing I'm going to do is add the workout stickers. Because I always like to, I do it basically the same. I try working out almost every day, except I give myself Friday and Saturday off. So I am going to just add some stickers. And then putting down the rest of them on the other side. Then I like to add my TV shows, and I actually have a few TV shows now that I want to keep up with. And I actually have that app on my phone that's like that, what is it? Episode? I forget exactly what it's called, but you basically like write down, or like you plug in whatever shows you watch, and then it lets you know like in a calendar when they are and what episode it is and stuff like that. So I forget exactly when some shows are happening, but I'm just gonna write out when I think they are. So I think like there's some shows that I'm just gonna be starting soon on, like Southern Charm. I cannot wait for that one to start. I'm trying to remember what some other TV shows are. I think they're all those days stuff. So I think I'm gonna be done with this and that. A lot of these I just will sometimes put in like or actually I will do, I'm trying to think, I will be driving this weekend to go to Raleigh. Super excited to see all my friends there. And now I'm gonna finish off this section with the this and that headers to kind of close off this section. And then what I'm going to do for the full boxes is how I really like doing it when I'm alternating between going up and down. I just feel like that adds a lot of just like extra interest. So I'm going to start with, let's see, I'm gonna do just a pattern one first. Then I'll go down. I love these little like flamingo and toucan. I think they look so cute. Let's see. So those are those three, and now on here I'm going to do, I love this pattern as well, these kind of like leaf patterns. I think they're so pretty. And then finish off with the little toucan at the end. Now what I'm gonna do is just go through and add some of the hat boxes. And we asked you guys on social media the other day, what are some things that you would like to see more of with our kits? And almost all of the comments were more full boxes. So we're gonna try to figure out how we can fit that in, and just kind of like what to do to make our kits better for you guys. We hate having stuff that you guys don't use, because we feel like that just doesn't make any sense. That's also why we like having our kits after the sale to be, you can buy them as individual sheets, because maybe you're someone that just likes using full boxes and the washi strips, so you shouldn't have to buy the headers if that's something that you don't really use. So we try adjusting it and making it so that it kind of fits everybody's needs. So that is that side, and now I'm going to move over to this side, and I'm going to stick with my measuring. Let's see. Add a little bit of washi. Loving how this is coming out. And let's see, I'm gonna put I always save the big half boxes and the glitter for the weekend, because I feel like that's always like a big thing to look forward to. So I normally always put that there. And I'm gonna add this pretty flamingo. And then one of these skinny boxes to go right there. Then on this last day, oh, I'll do a peekaboo note. Okay. Because I just always think these are a lot of fun to add. Actually, I can maybe add one right there. Do that. Because I feel like since this is a pattern, I'll still be able to have it peek through. So let's do maybe this little guy. And then do a washi strip to go in between. And now which one do I want to use? Maybe I'll do, It's always so hard. I feel like I like all of them so much. I'll do this guy. Alright, so I'm gonna do this. And how you fold it over is you want to make sure that you fold along the perforated edges, making sure that the bow doesn't get stuck down. Then you want to just fold over the back like that, and there you have it. So I'm actually going to add this one down right there. So there that is. And then what I'm going to do is just add a box right over that. Just like that. So there is my little peekaboo note right there. Just like that. So now what I'm going to go through is I'm going to go ahead and put some little, where is it? Icons and stuff like that. Like, I love putting down the bow clips. I just think they add like a really nice little touch. And also putting down some of the popcorns and the functional tabs. I feel like I'm losing my words like as I'm going through this video. Let's see. I love using the cleaning one to clean, and the to buy one, and let's see, a little coffee one. I just think using the popcorn makes it just so fun. It's so cute. And I say before, popcorn is very good for when you, for me, like don't have the best handwriting. You can just put something down kind of like in the middle of your box, and you just know exactly what's happening. So I'm just adding some more And then I'm going to, let's see. So I just put all my popcorns down. And then what I like to do for the top is that's where I like to put some of these icons. So if I maybe have a doctor's appointment or I have to go take my cats to the vet, anything like that, I like to put on the top. So anything that it's almost like a chore to have to do, that's where I put it on the top. So maybe, let's see, I have to like go pick up a prescription and then maybe doing some work at home. I'll do that. And now what I'm gonna do, I have to add the weekend banner. I'll add it right there. I just love all the birds. I think it's so cute. And now I'm just gonna add some deco. After I add these little dots top, okay, so now that I have those, I'm gonna go through and add just a little bit of deco to the top. So this is what the spread looks like all done, and I love the way that it turned out. I think it looks so cute, and I'm so excited for summer. So I just added a little bit of some deco and then also just some of those words around the planner. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember that this kit, along with the Southern Prep Kit, are released tomorrow. So remember that during the sale, you get the whole kit for 25% off, plus you get the matching popcorn and glitter headers for free as an addition. So remember these kits come in the Erin Condren Vertical, the Erin Condren Horizontal, the Happy Planner Classic, HP Mini, HP Big. So all of those, perfect, so you can find exactly what you're looking for. And yeah, remember the sale is only going on for, I think, 2 days. So be sure to like this video, like our Facebook and Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!